There is the lift. The views are outstanding. It blows my mind that Fivizzano is literally in the middle of either snow and sea. Okay, I just have my brand new umbrella. It's multicolored, so everybody's gonna be able to spot me. So my husband has taken me to a point quite high up, but about 20 minutes from Fivizzano, from where my house is. And we knew that there was a ski resort here. So Fivizzano is obviously close to the sea, but it's also close to the snow. And here we are, this extraordinary, a high up ski resort. Who would have thought? And of course I love to ski, but also what they have here is, if you're into your walking like we are, they have all of these different incredible trails that you can take, and really describing, for example, Facile means that's an easy trail. So an impegnativo would be a little bit difficult, right? Facile, so you can see media, and so we're definitely going to do one of these trails at some point. But they also have incredible restaurants here. People are here just walking around, doing lots and lots of walks. It's a beautiful day, and I just cannot believe what we have just stumbled upon thanks to my husband, who did his research. So we have found this wonderful outdoor restaurant. It's crazy to think that we were at the sea yesterday in like 26 degrees Celsius, that is, laying on the beach. And here we are having to bundle up a little bit because we're at the ski resort. But I've ordered homemade gnocchi with chestnut and gorgonzola sauce. And this area is known for its chestnuts, as well as the carciofi here, which is artichokes, at least. And my Italian is, I think, doing quite well, as my husband, who's holding the camera, keeps being incredibly complimentary about my Italian. But it's wonderful to have a place in Fivizzano where there is the sea nearby, but also a ski resort. Fantastic. So we've just finished our lunch and we are heading up on our hike here. As I said, there's many hikes. So we're planning on going for quite a long walk. And when we get to the top, we will show you. So we've gone through kind of the wooded bit, and we think that this is probably a ski slope here for sure, but you can see it's extraordinary views right here. So we're pretty sure this is definitely one of the ski runs. And as I said, we've walked through the wooded bit. We're gonna try to head up, well, as high as we can possibly go, but with these views behind us, it's unbelievably beautiful. It's just incredible. Unbelievable. As we keep walking up, this is October, we're finding just tons of wild raspberries. So you can see here, they're still hanging all of these. I mean, obviously there's not that many, but there's enough definitely for us to eat some. Which actually, I do need a little bit of sugar, natural sugar. So I'm going to pick a few perfect raspberries and just what I needed. A little bit of a sugar rush to get myself back up. So my husband tells me we are nearing the top, and we literally almost went. I mean, it was very vertical. And the highest point here is 1,900 meters, and we have gotten up to 1,700 meters. And he told me that the view would be absolutely spectacular when I came up, and he is absolutely correct. And you can see where we are and where we can ski 20 minutes from my house. This is unbelievable. I had no idea when I bought my house in Fivizzano that we were so close to a ski resort. There is the lift. The views are outstanding. Incredible.
But you can't see the top because there's cloud.
You can't see the top because there's lovely cloud, but if we spin around this way, as soon as we get through the clearing, you will be able to see at least some. Again, it is lovely, this sort of cloud that's hovering just amongst the peaks of these hills, mountains right here. So it gives it quite a dramatic look right there with the sun. The sun is definitely trying to peek throughout little patches sporadically across the mountainside here. But I will definitely be going up on this ski lift in 2022, 100%. And I will film that for you as well. I've taken the camera from my husband. He's over there checking out. There's actually a restaurant there. Obviously, it's not open right now. But I don't think I've ever in my entire life stood underneath a chairlift like this. So here I am. You can see the town down below, and you can see, again, extraordinary clouds hovering above the mountain peaks there, and more cloud coming in, but an absolutely spectacular view and wonderful discovery near my house. Then it was time for a long walk back down. So it's raining here today in Fivizzano, and it's, you can see, my hair is wet. I've got my mask, and it's market day. My husband and I were here a couple days ago, because actually here in Fivizzano I found out that it is the third month, or the third Sunday of every month. There's an antiques market here. So you have, it's a bit, and so this is the normal market on Tuesday. I mean, it was pouring here, my hair is soaked, so I do think I probably need to go buy an umbrella. What do you think, Luke?
There's a really lovely multicolored one that would suit you.
Mio marito viene perché io devo aiutare. I need you to help me, basically. Ma perché io ho comprato, io voglio comprare questo, come si dice umbrello? Ombrello, la stessa cosa, ombrello in italiano, 15 euro, ma io solo ho 5 euro, ma sì, mio marito ha 50 euro, ma quindi sì, grazie. Okay, I just have my brand new umbrella. It's multicolored, so everybody's gonna be able to spot me from a mile away. But this was worth the 15 euro, so worth the 15 euro. And as you can see, it has been literally pouring cats and dogs here. Last night, it was thunder, like the thunder that I grew up in, like when I grew up outside Chicago. So much thunder and lightning. So here we are today, and now you can spot me a mile away, but at least my hair is going to stay covered. We're here today in Lucca. I took kind of the day off from work, if you like, and we're in really a piazza, but it actually is in the shape of a circle, or really an oval. We've been here with my husband's cousin because she lives in Italy. She has done most of her life. Lucca has just been wonderful. Even in the rain, it is just absolutely spectacular. And the thing about Lucca is I've actually never been here before. And from my house in Fivizzano, it only took an hour and 15 minutes. So again, I feel like Fivizzano is so close to so many extraordinary places here in Italy, Lucca being one of them. Next time, I start the renovations of the first floor at my little Italian house. This is just one section of Recuperando, and we have a lot to do today. And Malcolm has found, hooray, this extraordinary lampada